Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here I am at Michael's taking a look at their Christmas decor. So come on with me, guys. Now isn't this an absolutely gorgeous wreath? I think I can duplicate it though. It's gorgeous. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so I am so excited. Let me give you some reminders for this week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is my favorite time of the week. It was my first collaboration when I first started and it has taken off. I am so happy with it. Now that is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, any color, style, or theme. Unless we have a guest and then they choose any color, style, or theme. Isn't that amazing? That's awesome. Hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now we're going to move on over to It's Christmas Time Tier Tray Collaboration. That is on December 7th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living will be hosting that with me. You don't want to miss that one, guys. That one is so much fun. Then I have on December 9th, the last minute decorating collaboration. I have now combined the DIY, last minute DIY or decorating collaboration, and I made that an open playlist. So anything that you decide to decorate or DIY, just upload the video, use the hashtag last minute DIY or last minute decorate, and I'll be more than happy to upload you to the playlist. That's going to continue on until Christmas Day. Okay, so I did want to mention that Antoinette Decorating has her home tour, and her Christmas home tour. I am so excited about that. That is going to be on December 10th, and I believe that's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For any information, make sure and head on over to her community tab, or you can contact her, send her a message. She also has a chat room over on Instagram. You really just don't want to miss it. It's exciting. So many of us are already in there, and she's a beautiful person. So if you've never met her, go over to her channel and subscribe and show her some love, guys. It's going to be fun. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.